In this video, I'll show you how you can sign up and create your first PayPal account. This is going to be a beginner step-by-step video, so I'll walk you guys through it and we'll get started in a second. So here we are on my computer, and now I'll run you through what you need to do to create your account. The first thing you need to do is make sure you're on the PayPal website. The website to PayPal is paypal.com, so just go ahead and type that into your address bar and it will take you here. You can then go ahead and click on sign up in the top right hand corner, and that will ask you if you're signing up for a personal or a business account. In my case, I'm going to show you how you can do and how you can sign up for a personal account. I'm then going to click next. I can then go ahead and enter in my phone number. This is going to need to be a correct phone number that you have access to, because you will need to authorize this. Once you've entered that in, go ahead and click on next. It's then going to send you a code to your number that you've just entered. Just go ahead and enter in that code. Then after you've done that, it will take you here where you can set up your profile. So make sure you then enter in your email, your name, and create a password. After you've entered in that, click continue. Then go ahead and enter in your nationality and all of these boxes here. Make sure again this is correct information. And then once you've entered that in, just go ahead and click on agree and continue. You need to make sure this is correct information, because if PayPal ever decide that they want to verify who you are, they are going to cross-check that information. If it is wrong, then they're not going to let you withdraw your money, or you're just going to have a problem with PayPal. Once you've done that, you can then either shop with PayPal, send money, or add a card to use later. However, if you just go ahead and just delete all of that and just go back to the main PayPal website, you can see now that you've logged into PayPal, and we've now created our account and we've now logged in.